Welcome to my channel, and I have a gumball machine. So first you need this lid. So you put the coin in, and then you twist, and then you get it. See, like that. See? Okay. There it goes. Now see? Oh, good. It's so much fun. It's easy to use. Now I'm going to show you how to put candy inside. Here's the candies. So we're going to put jellybeans inside. So all you do is open it, and then get it. Okay. So you do like this. Let's play vlog. I dropped some of the candy. Now there's a lot. Actually, this is a coin bank. So you can use pennies. Yeah. You can use pennies. Oh, I got orange gumball this time. Oh, yum. That's very yum. You can use penny, dime, and quarters. This is called double bubble and coin bank. And this is my coin purse.
So what did you get this time? Another one? Here, I'll give that to Julian. Oh, you have to put a coin. Try to put the dime. See if that works.
Here's a dime.
Yeah.
Push this is supposed to be twist.
And put the coin.
And point the coin.
What did you get this time? Did you get another
Gumball. I got 2 white gumballs. I'm gonna eat it. I got so many gumballs. Don't forget, sharing is good. So I'm so yummy. Don't forget to click subscribe. I love my coin ring. It gives me candy. I'm gonna get one for my brother. This time I'm gonna use quarter. I want nickels. A yellow gumball.
Remember, that's for your brother.
I'm gonna get one for my dad. That one's for Dada.
Oh, thank you. I'll give it to Daddy.
Oops! And I got this too.
You got a jelly bean? An orange one?
I got both.
You got both. Oh, you're lucky.
I'm lucky. I got both.
You must be a good girl.
I must be a good girl. Give me a jelly bean. Next time, Dad, I got you a purple gumball. Hey, look, this is my first thing. Don't get money out of it. Nope. No way. Nope, you're not getting money out of this. Saving money is good. So you don't take that money. When this thing gets full, I'll put on this one. This is mine. Here's the makeup.
You got a jelly bean?
I got it. Yummy. I'll save this one for later. It's so beautiful. I have my gumball machine. I love my gumball machine. These candies are good. Whoops. These candies are good. I love my gumball machine. It's so fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.